Have you ever noticed how the world feels louder than ever? Constant notifications, endless to-do lists, and a mind that just won't stop talking? Now imagine waking up in the same world, but feeling calm. Your breath steady, your thoughts clear, your heart light. That's not a fantasy. That's mindfulness, the art of being fully present in this very moment. And it's not just a practice for monks or spiritual seekers. It is a daily medicine for your mind and soul, available to anyone willing to pause and breathe. Mindfulness is more than meditation. It's awareness in motion. It's sipping your morning coffee and actually tasting it. It's walking to your car and feeling the ground beneath your feet. It's choosing to notice life instead of racing through it. In a fast-paced culture like ours, especially in the US, we're taught that productivity equals success. But mindfulness reminds us, presence equals peace. It invites us to slow down, realign, and reconnect with the quiet strength already inside us. What is daily mindfulness practice? Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention, intentionally, without judgment, to what's happening right now. It's not about escaping thoughts or emotions, but observing them with compassion. When you do this daily, even for a few minutes, you train your mind to return home, to the present. Simple acts like morning breathing, 5 deep conscious breaths before looking at your phone. Mindful eating, noticing texture, color, and gratitude before your first bite. Evening reflection, asking yourself, what moment today truly mattered? These small rituals open a space of stillness that grows with time. Why it matters. Science now backs what ancient wisdom has always known. Daily mindfulness reduces stress, improves focus, boosts immunity, and increases emotional balance. But beyond all data, it gives you something the modern world can't: clarity and peace that come from within. When you live mindfully, you stop reacting and start responding. You stop chasing life and start experiencing it. You begin to realize that peace isn't ET at the end of your to-do list. It is here, in this breath. Begin today. You don't need a meditation cushion or incense to begin. You only need a moment. This one. Pause. Breathe in deeply. Feel your body soften. Right now, in this very breath, you are home. Daily mindfulness isn't a practice. It's a return. A return to your breath, your truth, and your soul. And the more you return, the more peaceful this noisy world becomes.